Imagine you're working on a dining room project. The table is ready, the space is modeled, but something is missing. We need chairs. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn a simple photo into a 3D model, bring it into SketchUp, extract its details, and create a high-quality render. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nice Tower, the place for smart SketchUp workflows, AI-powered design, and real architectural tutorials. We post high-quality videos every week to help you work faster and design better. Let's jump right in. In this case, I went to Pinterest and found a chair that perfectly matches our dining space and design direction. In a real project, we either ask the client to send us a reference image, or we search online for something that fits the concept. And for this project, I'd like to use this model. After downloading and installing the Suapp AI plugin, I go to the extensions panel inside SketchUp and open Suapp AI. Once the interface appears on the screen, I click on Suapp AIR. As you can see here, this plugin offers many powerful options, such as generating renders from sketches, extracting materials from images, analyzing structural details, and much more. But in this project, we're going to use the explosion analysis feature. I simply click on the Upload button and select the reference image we saved earlier. After uploading the image, we go to this section and click on Create. Then, we wait a few seconds while the plugin processes the image and generates the construction details. And wow! As you can see, it has automatically extracted the dimensions and structural details with impressive accuracy, all with just one click. Now, we don't just have a visual reference, we have measurable data. This means we can confidently send these details to a fabrication workshop and have the chair produced according to these exact dimensions and construction logic. Now, using the Suapp AIM plugin, we're going to generate the 3D model directly from the image, quickly and effortlessly. From here, I click on Suapp AIM, then upload the same reference image. If we want, we can activate this option to remove the background automatically. But if the background doesn't interfere with the object, we can simply leave it as it is and continue. Next, I increase the accuracy setting to ensure higher precision in the generated geometry. And finally, I select the Fine option, so the 3D model is generated with the exact same material appearance as the reference image. In this case, we don't want to change the material. We want to preserve it exactly as shown. Now, I click on Create and wait a few moments while the 3D model is being generated. And wow, look at how precise and realistic this result is. From here, we can preview the model in different modes, rotate it freely, inspect it from every angle, and fully control the view to evaluate the geometry and proportions. Once we're satisfied with the result, we simply click on Export, download the model, and bring it directly into our SketchUp project. Just like that, from a single image to a ready-to-use 3D model inside our workflow. After importing the 3D model into our project, the first thing we do is adjust its scale using the Scale tool, making sure it matches the correct real-world proportions. Then, with the Move tool, we position the chair properly next to the table. To duplicate it, I hold the Control key while using the Move tool and create 2 additional copies. Once the 3 chairs are aligned on one side, I select them all and use the Mirror tool to copy them to the opposite side of the table. And just like that, our dining setup becomes complete. Clean, balanced, and ready for rendering. I first adjust the camera angle to the view I want for the final shot. Then I click on Suapp AIR, and from here I select Screenshot. This captures the current view of our SketchUp project and sends it directly into Suapp AIR. Next, we choose the desired style. As you can see, there are multiple options available: classic, minimal, modern, and more. For this project, I'm selecting the modern style to match our design direction. After that, I click on Analyze Suggestion. This gives us several smart enhancement options that we can apply depending on the needs of our project. And if we want even more control, we can also enter a custom prompt here to fine-tune the final result exactly the way we envision it. After that, I click on Confirm and then press Create. Now we wait a few moments while the system processes the render, and this is important. We don't need a super high-end or powerful computer for this workflow. Even with a regular system that runs SketchUp smoothly, we can generate impressive professional-level renders. And wow, look at how easily we achieved such a natural and high-quality result. If we want, we can experiment with different styles and choose the one that fits our project best. Before saving, we can select UHD and PNG to ensure maximum resolution and image quality. Then we simply click Save. And our final render is ready. And one more powerful feature. With Suapp AI, you can even turn your rendered image into an animation very easily. I've already created a full tutorial about that in a previous video, and I've placed the link in the description of this video as well. So make sure to check it out if you want to take your presentation to the next level. Now let's see where you can get these plugins. First, we go to nicetowers.com. From here, I click on the Suapp AI section. This takes us directly to the official Suapp AI website. Now let's quickly look at the pricing plans. There are 4 options: Basic, Standard, Pro, and Max. The basic plan starts at $99 for 3 months and is great if you mainly need rendering and style features. The Standard plan at $199 for 3 months adds the SketchUp plugin and integrations with other professional software. The Pro plan, which is the most popular, is $299.25 per year. It includes image to 3D, AI tools, higher credits, unlimited cloud storage, and priority support. Perfect for a complete AI workflow. And the Max plan gives you unlimited credits and renderings, ideal for studios or heavy users, so you can choose the plan that matches your workflow and project needs. Now we click on the download button. As you can see here, several different plugins are available. Suapp AIR is mainly for AI rendering and style transformation, turning your SketchUp screenshots into realistic visuals in different styles. Suapp AIM is for image to 3D, helping you generate 3D models directly from reference images. Suapp AIC focuses on AI content creation, like text to image concepts. Suapp AIA converts images into short animations. And Suapp AIT works as an AI design assistant to speed up your workflow. In this project, we mainly use Suapp AIM to create the 3D chair from an image and Suapp AIR to generate the final render. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. For more tutorials, subscribe to Nice Tower and stay updated with our upcoming videos.